By silence I hear other men's imperfections and conceal my own.
The best answer to anger is silence.
Zeno of Citium was an ancient Greek philosopher and the founder of the Stoic school of philosophy. Born in Citium, Cyprus, around 334 BCE, Zeno was a student of the Cynic philosopher Crates of Thebes. He was a prolific writer, producing works on topics such as logic, physics, and ethics. His teachings focused on the idea that one should live in harmony with nature and that virtue, rather than money or power, should be the ultimate goal of life. Zeno believed that a life of virtue and wisdom was achieved through self-discipline and self-control. He encouraged people to practice self-awareness, to think before they act, and to be mindful of their own thoughts and feelings. He also emphasized the importance of mindfulness, suggesting that by being aware of one's own emotions and reactions, one could better understand the motivations of others. Zeno's teachings have been influential throughout history, and his philosophy is still relevant today. His emphasis on self-control and mindfulness are particularly relevant in the modern world, where people are often overwhelmed by their emotions and the pressures of everyday life. By taking the time to practice self-reflection and to be mindful of their own actions and reactions, people can learn to better understand themselves and the people around them. Marcus Aurelius was a Roman emperor and philosopher who lived from 121 to 180 AD. He was the last of the five good emperors and is remembered for his Stoic philosophy and his commitment to justice. He wrote a book called Meditations, which still inspires many today. His leadership style was based on compassion and understanding, and he believed that people should strive for inner peace rather than external success. He also believed that it was important to practice self-control and that anger should be avoided. This philosophy is still relevant in today's society, where people are often encouraged to take a step back and think before they act. His teachings remind us to remain calm, even in the face of adversity, and to focus on understanding and empathy. Marcus Aurelius's legacy continues to shape our society today.